Mysterious objects in the solar system that kept the scientists skeptical. Space is a big and strange place. We probably won't be able to find out everything about it before the world's end. We have found some secrets of the universe, celestial bodies, or strange things that can't be explained. We hardly know how to solve these puzzles. The most we can do is talk about what they might be and can never be. A few of them are so unusual that we thought they were proof that extraterrestrial beings were out there. So let's get started. Number 1. SIMP. The number 1 on our list is the SIMP, which is about 20 light years away. Rogue planets are just what they seem, planets that travel their way through the galaxy. This entity has a red line where the planet ends and the brown dwarf starts. It is roughly as big as Jupiter, yet 12 times as heavy. So, it is a reasonably massive thing. It has a magnetic field that is nearly 4 times more powerful than the one that is on our planet Earth. Auroras are made by the planet themselves, which is extremely strange due to the lack of solar wind from a close-by star. We don't have any confirmation yet, but that's possible that the rogue planets possess their moons, which may create the light displays. In the end, this is a very strange place that keeps moving through the galaxy completely on its own, and it may help us understand how magnetic fields are made. Number 2. Oumuamua. In October of 2017, astronomers found a strange item flying through our solar system. It was given the title Oumuamua. It got near the Sun as the distance between it and Earth unexpectedly increased, leaving our solar system. Astrophysicists don't understand what Oumuamua is or why it moves so quickly all at once. Many astronomers think it might be an unusual comet. It could be a meteor, a planet that isn't developed properly, a solar float, or a big body. All the ice burst off from its chemical, belly, and envelope. All scientists at Harvard University believe the Oumuamua is a solar sail, a spaceship that uses solar energy. They think that aliens constructed their sail to discover our planetary system, but some astronomers don't agree. Stanek at NASA thinks the Oumuamua is an icy comet altogether. He believes that Oumuamua had lost the gas and water that could have made its tail if it had one. Gregory Rowland and his squad at Yale University believe that Oumuamua is composed of ice. Although it is seen too near the Sun, hardly anything can be said. They think that it was once a component of an ice-covered planet that got crushed. The Telescope Science Institute believes that Oumuamua is what's left of a planet that didn't shape well. He and his squad think that the planet was currently being made when it left its star cluster. Number 3. Hoag's Object. Hoag's Object looks like a donut. This strange galaxy is about 600 million light years away. Initially, the entity was considered a celestial body, a nebula, or even an Einstein ring. However, the Hubble telescope showed now that it is made up of stars, dust, and clusters, causing it to be a strange galaxy. Its core is 70,000 light years away from its own circle, and no other object in the universe has the same shape as the entire Hoag's Object. It's therefore a mysterious thing that happens, and we don't know how. At the end of the day, it's a fascinating place to investigate, as it could unveil a few of the universe's mysteries and result in new theories. Number 4. Tabby Star. We discovered Tabby Star in 2011. Scientists examining data from NASA's Kepler satellites discovered that a star named KIC8462852 often got darker before getting brighter. Researchers have come up with a number of explanations for this strange behavior. A few say it is because of a cluster of comets surrounding a star or another substance in our solar system. Some consider the dust all around the black hole among Tabby's Sun and Earth is the reason. One team of astronomers thought that the case was caused by a vast building constructed by intelligent alien life. This idea made people far more wondering, so other researchers tried to figure out what was really going on. When it became visible again in May of 2017, scientists quickly figured out that a megastructure didn't prompt this, since such an entity will block all of the star's shades and light from reaching the telescopes, not even darkening it. Researchers decided that the darkening impact was caused by space, since the star was in orbit around it, but they couldn't figure out where all the dust came from or make sure it was actually dust. The dust appears to be moving away from the star too. Some experts theorize that a celestial body that hasn't been found is making more dust around the star. In 2016, Columbia University said that the dust could have come from the destruction of a moon or another planet after getting too near Tabby star. Number 5. FRB 121102. Scientists believe they originate from neutron stars or stars that are being eaten by black holes. FRBs are often gone as shortly as they show up, but researchers have gotten 150 signals from FRBs since they got the first signal on November 2nd of 2012. They have tracked these FRBs in a galaxy 3 billion light years away, but they can't say where they came from. The idea says that the FRBs have a neutral style, but another view is that the FRBs could come from advanced technologies that aliens use to operate their spaceships. What are your thoughts on this idea? At the time, there were no people, and the Earth was full of single-celled organisms. Astronomers have found a cluster of faraway galaxies moving at over 1.6 million kilometers per hour. They don't know why or exactly how the galaxies are traveling so quickly or exactly where they're going. They've decided to name the motion mysterious. On number 6, we have Europa. Europa is one of the handfuls of locations in our solar system where life might be able to exist. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, is just one of those spots that I want to compare to the Gordian knot because we don't know what's under the ice cap. The outer layer is about 15 miles thick, but the water beneath it may be more than 100 miles deep. This indicates that Europa might have more than 2 times water that our planet has. Tidal heating could also induce hydrothermic activity, producing food for living creatures. Maybe an innovative alien race is out there already, or perhaps an old submerged town. We cannot be certain unless we go there, and NASA is already making plans for the Clipper mission. This craft will indeed be opened in less than 5 years, and it will start to unveil a number of the mysteries of this strange moon. However, we need to remember that the Clippers won't directly dig a hole into the frozen ground and discover the ocean, so the Gordian knot won't be cut for a while, which could be a beneficial move. Number 7. The Red Rectangle Nebula. The Red Rectangle Nebula is about 2,300 light-years away from us. A further thing makes us realize how little we know about the cosmos. The X-shaped rectangle seems to go against gravity, and even the structure it makes is almost flawless. It's a bizarre illustration of a protostar's nebula, which may also be a pair of stars. Still, no nebula perhaps gets near this form, and the red star color emerges from hydrogen molecules, one of life's most important components. Could they be aliens from another planet? Well, I'm just not pretty confident, but learning how this strange stuff came can help us learn more about the world. So that's a wrap for this video. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching, and with this, I'm out.